Hey friends, if you wish to change three finger swipe gestures in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select touchpad, select three finger gestures. Now, here's what you need to understand there will be two categories. One is for tap. Okay, I'll show you what tapping with three fingers does. It will open search because it's written here. You can change it to open the notification center and now check it. Three finger taps, it opens the notification center. Now the second category is for swipes. One thing is that by default, it will show you what it does. Like if I swipe up, it will open the multitasking view. And then if I scroll down, it will show the desktop. If I do it to the left or right, it will help me switch to the apps. But I can change it. I can change it to switch apps and show desktop, to switch desktops and show desktop. Okay, and you know that the options are as they have showed here. Then you can change volume and audio. This is the most useful thing with three finger swipes. So I can increase the volume or I can decrease the volume. And if I am using a media player, I can go to the previous or next app. Okay, and obviously do nothing with it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.